What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to set up your TikTok pixels on Shopify. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, on your Shopify, go to your settings and go to your apps and sales channel right here. And on the apps and sales channel, just go to Shopify App Store. Click Shopify App Store and it will redirect you to the Shopify App Store where you can search the TikTok pixel. Just search TikTok, then click this one, TikTok. What you're gonna do is you can add the app to your Shopify. Just click Add App, and it will redirect you to this. What you can do is to click Add Sales Channel. Then after that, it will load up. Just wait. Then you can now set up your TikTok channel overview. Just click Setup Now. That's it. So first, you will need to connect your TikTok for business. You will need to sign up to an account for TikTok for business. So we need to sign up first. I'm going to sign up first. I'm going to use my Google account. Then you need to provide your birth date, also your TikTok name. That's it. And you will need to authorize first. And after you're done making an account, make sure to check the terms and condition and click continue, and that's it. You're already connected. Just click connect. After that, you will need to provide your TikTok ad managers. This one is on you. You will put it whatever you want. And after that, just click next. And you will need to manage your data sharing first. If you want it standard, enhanced, maximum, it's all on you. After that, just click next. You will need to provide your company information. Just provide your address and mode of payment, etc. And that's it. After that, just click finish setup. And as you can see, my channel, TikTok channel overview is under review. And you will need to wait for like 24 hours until your TikTok pixels is finally connected to your Shopify. And that's it. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.